Draw this triangle. AB is 8, AC is 5. The angle between AB and AC is 30 degree. Then draw a circle inside of this triangle that touches all three sides. What is the area of the circle? So first, click on the ortho to turn it on if it is not already on your computer. Alternatively, you can press F8 to turn it on or turn it off. Then click the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, type 8, press enter, and then you can press enter again to exit from the line tool. Right click, repeat line, click the left end of this line, move left, type 5, press enter, then right click, cancel, or you can press enter on your keyboard to cancel from the line tool. Then click rotate tool, click this new line, press enter, then click the right end of this line, type -150 on your command line. Now click the line tool, click this is point C, and then click the endpoint of line AB, that is point B. Right click, cancel to exit from the line tool. Now take your cursor to the line tool area and then click on that down arrow, and then click this option 10 10 10. So click that option of circle tool, and then click three sides of this triangle one at a time. So click this side, click that one, and that one. Now left click on this circle, right click, left click on properties. The area is 4.1314.